Well, happy Christmas Eve, everyone. I'm enjoying my second cup of coffee, watching some YouTube because that's what I do in the morning. Um, my video from yesterday is currently uploading. I'm just kind of chillaxing. I've got a fun package to unbox with you guys that's supposed to be delivered sometime today. I'm gonna spend a little bit of time making shrimp chowder, so when we come home from Mass tonight we can have a big old bowl of shrimp chowder and curl up in front of the fire because it might actually be cold enough to turn the fire on again. Once again, like, I feel like I should be scurrying around frantic, but this is this. Last year I didn't have like a massive. Oh Lord, the cats are starting to fight behind me. They're starting their morning fight. Last year was the first year we did the Christmas party, so almost everything was done and prepped for the Christmas party. So by the time, like, once again, all I had to do was wrap gifts, wait for the final gifts to get here, things like that, before Christmas Day. And then, Christmas Day is just making a roast and potatoes and things like that. So it's not a whole lot of scurrying around work. Here. They do this for like half an hour every morning. Curzon realized they're being filmed, so he stopped. Yes, those are Doctor Who socks sitting on my thing again. These are my Dalek socks from the other day. So like Christmas Day is kind of like smooth sailing, and because I have to have so much done for the party and prep for the party, by the time it's time to settle in for the family Christmas, the only thing we have to do is wrap gifts. We don't go out of town for anything. We normally don't have my family doesn't come into town, and none of my family lives nearby. They're all up north right now. So, it's making time to go see my mother-in-law. As my siblings-in-law come into town, we kind of have to go visit and stuff, and we go back and forth, what we're doing, where we're meeting, where we see each other. So there is like holiday kerfuffle, but it's not end of the world stress like it has been in years past. We have streamlined a lot of the gift processes. Adults get gift cards and stockings versus 80 bajillion tiny gifts that need to be wrapped and put under the tree. So it's reduced the stress significantly. So this being the second year of doing this, like, everything was prepped so far in advance, and I did so much of the shopping early this year. I mean, I was more or less done shopping before December. So this coasting has been a little unusual for me. It's been very nice because I haven't had to break out my forget about it dance where I get so frustrated I just have to it's over, it's done, I'm not doing it anymore. Troy's in a lot less of a high stress job for the last 2 years, where when he takes a day off, he can actually, take a day off and help, versus having somebody call him and essentially pull him back into the office for entire days where the office is supposed to be closed. So it's definitely been interesting the last 2 years to just coast into Christmas and actually get to enjoy Christmas before Christmas Day. In 15 years, it took us 13 years to get to a point to where we could coast into Christmas Day. So we were actually able to, go to our friend's drop-in yesterday. We were actually able to, because everything was already pretty much done for the party when we got the invite for the leadership party with his office stuff, we were able to actually go to that and enjoy it versus drop in for 45 minutes and then spend the rest of the night doing stuff for our party. So it's kind of weird. And being able to enjoy my coffee on Christmas morning or Christmas Eve morning and know that, I need to clean up the kitchen. I need to, I've got little things like I need to clear off the dining room table again, get the chargers back out for Christmas dinner, make sure that we've got the china pulled out for Christmas dinner. But all of the work I have left to do between now and Christmas dinner it's normal day activities, not run around like a chicken with my head cut off activities. So I don't know what to do with myself. So I've just been sitting here working on, stuff for the Karen review and waiting for my premiere mystery bags to get here so I can do an unboxing with you guys. I also did order, Yarnspirations had their mystery bags on sale for $2.99. So I did order a couple of those. Those won't be here, though, till the end of the week. So I'll probably do an unboxing with that separate. Yeah, I'm kind of just enjoying my morning, which is so much fun, you guys. I ran out of the jade green color. So I did get that balled up. No knots once again. So we're looking good for this. Yeah, not a whole lot to say. So I will check in with you guys after I do something interesting or while I'm doing something interesting. I might walk you guys through my shrimp chowder prep. It's literally the most basic shrimp chowder you've ever seen in your life, but it was for many, many years, it was a Barnhart family tradition until my grandmother developed a shrimp allergy and my brother didn't like it. So by the time I left for college, they started doing my mom's Italian chicken, lemon, and rice soup. And I've decided to continue with the basic shrimp chowder recipes. So Troy and I will be tucking into that tonight when we get home. But I can do so much of the prep work. I can get all the soup and the chowder part made before we leave. And then warm it up, essentially, and cook the shrimp part when we get home. So, which works because there's a choral performance right before the mass we're going to, which means we probably need to be there by 5:15, 5:30. And the choral performance starts at 6. Mass starts at 6:30. So mass will break up around 7:30. And then we won't be home till 8:30. If I remember to get clips at the church, which I forgot to do yesterday, might be a little bit later. So we'll do probably a late lunch today or a big lunch today. That way we're, not starving for dinner time, but definitely ready to eat by the time we get home. Yeah. So you guys, we're drawing to the end of Vlogmas. You won't have to listen to how boring my life is anymore. My biggest fear was realized through Vlogmas. I really am as boring as I thought I was. I do a lot of mundane, normal, daily things. So Anyway, I spent 10 minutes yakking at you this morning. Oops. I will see you guys in a little while. Hi guys, I wanted to check in real quick. I ended up with a migraine this morning after I got rolling on the day. So it's now like almost 2:30, so I'm about to have to go jump in the shower. But I did want to let you know I got another Christmas card from one of you guys. Thank you, Cindy. Merry Christmas. Hi guys. So we're headed to Mass.
Hi guys, we're headed to Mass.
Totally ran out of time to sit down and film anything before we left. So after dinner, I'll sit down and do an unboxing with the mystery yarns and check in with you guys. I'm gonna try to get a little snippet of the choir performance before Mass, and afterwards I'll try to get a shot of the altar all decorated and the manger and the Christmas tree. So he's over here pretending to sleep. Feels so safe with him behind the wheel. So I will check back with you guys in a little bit. Bye. I don't know if you can tell how big the moon is there, but that's the moon in the sky. Hi you guys, so we just got back from Mass. We had to make a quick detour to the grocery store to pick up something to take to my mother-in-law's for lunch tomorrow. We'd originally planned on getting chicken, but nothing is going to be open. Heads up, the cats are wandering around here. Pippin, get out of the tree. Pippin. Anyway, so we had there was a family that was stranded. They needed a jump start, so we're running a little bit late. So I'm going to crack on into this real quick. There should be, I think, 2... Pippin, leave the camera alone. By the way, today is his adoption anniversary. He's been with us for exactly 1 year. And he's still a handful. So there should be a project bag, a set of wool needles, and 2 mystery bags. And I think I did 1 DK weight and 1 worsted weight. I also have 1 coming from Your Inspirations. So we'll see. Okay, mystery bag, project bag, and a set of wool needles. Exactly what I thought was going to be in there. So I'm going to throw the wool needles in the basket here. Yeah, this seems to be about exactly what I expected it to be as far as a project bag. It's kind of a canvas on the outside. It's got a slick satin on the inside. Wrist strap, large zipper, so no surprises there. So let's crack on. This just says mystery bag, nothing else on there. I got Candy Shop, and the colorway is dark chocolate, so this is the one that kind of looks like licorice to me. Oh, that's softer than the sweet rolls. I didn't expect that. 260 yards. That's pretty true to color. So I got 3 of that one. I was afraid this was going to happen. I didn't realize when I did mine that they were doing a whole bunch of clearanced out cottons, but at least it's a pretty color. And I haven't used the Premier dishcloth cotton, so it's another, this and the Dishy I think are the only common ones that I haven't used yet. So the color on this one is Pickle Splash. I don't think of that as, it's more like sea foam, but okay. That's bag number 1. And we'll play bag number 2 here. And then I get to eat dinner. Change clothes and eat dinner. It's almost 10 o'clock and I still haven't eaten yet. I haven't eaten, actually. The picture that I posted on Instagram this morning of me in the blanket having Christmas Eve breakfast, I haven't eaten since then. Oh, that's cute. I like that. I haven't tried that. It's a Premier Angel. Get one out of the bag here. Oh. Color weight is Day at the Beach, 284 yards, 3.5 ounces, 100% acrylic. Very soft. I don't know how much you can see in the... So bad lighting leads to better focus on my camera, apparently, because that's focusing a lot quicker and easier than normal. This is going to be like a record time video for me. Granted, I did jack yours off for 10 minutes this morning, but this one is Premier Fable. That's really pretty. That'll make a really nice shawl for springtime. And the colorway is Frog Prince, which is cute. Okay, now see, I'm out of focus now. You can't win for losing. And this one has 250 yards, so more than enough to make a shawl. Let's see. I have no idea what my phone just did. Totally freaked out and lost its mind. So the color on this is Frog Prince, 250 yards. Yeah. So those are my mystery bags from Premier. The ones from Your Inspiration should be here Thursday, I think. So I will probably share those in a dedicated video. I am going to go and eat some dinner finally. And well, I'm gonna change clothes. I'm still in my Christmas dress. I'm gonna change clothes and eat some shrimp chowder and vegetate before heading to bed. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Merry Christmas.